Hi friends, welcome to Mohan's School of Maths.
Hi friends, today we are discussing the chapter matrices, third chapter of plus 2 matrices. ഒരു ചാപ്റ്റർ ഇൻട്രൊഡ്യൂസ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ കുട്ടികൾ പലപ്പോഴും ചോദിക്കാറുണ്ട്, എന്തിനാണ് ഇത് പഠിക്കുന്നത്? വാട്ട് ഈസ് ദ യൂസ് ഓഫ് ദിസ് ചാപ്റ്റർ? വാട്ട് ഈസ് ദ യൂസ്? സി, matrix is, or the knowledge of matrix is very necessary in various branches of mathematics. Or we can say matrix is an important tool in mathematics, most important tool in mathematics. You know what is tool? Tool means what? Tool means it's an instrument, reduce our work, simplify our work. So matrix is an instrument to reduce some mathematical calculations, like solving linear equations. You know, we can solve linear equations straightforward ways, but using matrices we can solve linear equations in 2 variable or 3 variable easily. So matrix is a mathematical tool. Okay, again, matrix notations and operations are used in electronic spreadsheet programs for personal computer, and use different areas of business and science, like budgeting, sales projection, cost estimation, etc. It's also used in cryptography. You know what is cryptography? You also use in cryptography. And it's also used in different, not in maths, like genetics, economics, sociology, modern psychology, and what? Industrial management. So, matrix. See, matrices is the plural form of matrix. Matrices is the plural form of matrix. So, we have to study what is matrix. Okay, Rohit, how many notebooks do you have? 10? Okay. See, Rohit has 10 notebooks. Rohit has 10 notebooks. We can write the information like this. Rohit has 10 notebooks. We can write like this. How many pens do you have? 5? Okay. See, Rohit has 10 notebooks and 5 pens. Rohit has 10 notebooks and 5 pens. 10 notebooks and 5 pens. We can write the information like this. Similarly, Hani, yes, Hani is sitting there. Okay. Hani has 15 notebooks and what? 2 pens. 15 notebook and 2 pens. Now, Harida. Okay. See, Harida has 10 notebook and what? 3 pens. And what about Kartika? Oh, Kartika. Okay. Kartika has 8 notebook and what? 5 pens. So this is an information. This information we can write. See, 15, 2, 10, 3, 8, 5. Here, 15, 2. This is the first row. 50 and 2 is the first row. 10, 3 is the second row. And what? 8, 5 is the third row. And see, this is the first column. 15, 10, 8 is the first column. 2, 3, 5 is what? Second column. So, here we are arranging numbers. We are arranging numbers in a rectangular way. So, what is a matrix? A matrix is a rectangular arrangement of numbers. Matrix is a rectangular arrangement of numbers. See, it is not necessarily numbers, sometimes a function may also come. So, a matrix is a rectangular arrangement of numbers or functions. Numbers or functions. These numbers are called the elements of the matrix or the entries of the matrix. Okay. So, a matrix having m rows and n columns. A matrix having m rows and n columns is called what? An m by n matrix. Okay. Here, a general m by n matrix we can write as a general m by n matrix we can write. See, A is equal to A11. A11 means the first row, first column. A12, first row, second column. A13, first row, third column, etc. Aij, first row, jth column, etc. A1n, first row, nth column. So going on like that. Last AM1, mth row, first column. AM2, mth row, second column. AM3, mth row, third column. AMJ, mth row, jth column, etc. AMN. So this is a way to write a general m by n matrix. Instead of writing like this, we can write this also. A is equal to matrix Aij m by n. Aij m by n. The value of I is greater than or equal to 1, less than or equal to m. That means the value become I become what? Value I become what? 1, 2, 3 up to m. And what is the value of j? The value of j is become 1 to n. Greater than or equal to 1, less than or equal to n. And I and j always belongs to what? Natural numbers. So this is the general way of writing what? An m by n matrix. Here how many elements are there in this matrix? In this matrix there are mn elements because there are m rows and n column. Therefore it contains what? Mn elements. In a matrix, if there are 3 rows and 3 columns, it contains 3 into 3, 9 elements. If a matrix contains 4 rows and 2 columns, 4 into 8 elements. Generally, if a matrix contains m rows and n columns, it contains m into n elements. Okay? Now, we can discuss some problems. Okay? We can discuss some problems. See, first problem. If a matrix has 8 elements, then what are the possible orders it can have? What are the different possible orders it can have? See, there are 8 elements total. So we can factorize 8. 8 we can write 1 into 8. Or we can write what? 8 into 1. Or we can write 8 is equal to 4 into 2. Or 8 is equal to what? 2 into 4. These are the 4 different ways we can write what? 8 as a product of 2 numbers. So the possible orders are either 1 by 8, or what? 8 by 1, or 4 by 2, or what? 2 by 4. So there are 4 possibilities. If there are 8 elements in a matrix, the possible orders are 1 by 8, 8 by 1, 4 by 2, and what? 2 by 4. Another example is, instead of 8, suppose there are 12 elements. In a matrix, suppose there are 12 elements. So what are the possible orders? It may be what? 1 by 12, 12 by 1, 3 by 4, 4 by 3, 2 by 6, and what? 6 by 2. So, these are very important questions asking examination for 1 mark. Okay? Consider another problem, second problem. Okay? Another problem is construct a 2 by 2 matrix. Construct a 2 by 2 matrix. Like A is equal to what? Aij. The elements are given. The condition is given. What condition is? Aij is equal to I plus j whole square. This is the condition. Okay? We have to construct a 2 by 2 matrix. The elements are Aij is equal to I plus j whole square by 2. Okay, see, suppose we given A is equal to what? A11, A12, A21, A22. Why? Because a 2 by 2 matrix, given that a 2 by 2 matrix means there are 2 rows and what? 2 columns. So the elements are A11, A12, A21, A22. So we have to find A11, the first element, using this condition. So what is A11? Here Aij is equal to I plus j whole square by 2. So what is A11? Substitute I is equal to 1, j is equal to 1. So 1 plus 1 whole square by 2. It is 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 square is 4, 4 by 2 is equal to. So first element is 2. The second element is A12. So A12 is equal to, here I is equal to what? 1 and j is equal to 2. So 1 plus 2 the whole square by 2. So it is equal to what? 9 by 2. Now the second row, the first element is A21. A21. So A21 is equal to 2 plus 1 whole square by 2. That is 9 by 2. And the last element is A22 is equal to what? 2 plus 2 the whole square by 2. 2 plus 2 4. 4 square is 16. 16 by 2 6. So the matrix is 2, 9 by 2, 9 by 2, 8. Okay. This is the matrix they has to construct.